Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you something really simple and beautiful. So make sure to watch till the end. First I am starting with this design. Here I am adding some details to make it look better. If you want, you can try this at home too. It's super easy and anyone can do it. This is the parts where the design really starts to look interesting. I'm carefully adding color so the final result becomes clean and smooth. This is the final look. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for